Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to my class. So here I am with the new video, and in this video I shall be teaching you a new chapter, that is fraction. All right. So as you can see in your book, page number 50. Okay. So let us start. So first let us try to understand what is fraction. So fraction, it can be expressed as a by b form. Okay, fraction is what, it's not a whole number, it's a part. Okay, part of anything is called a fraction. So where a and b are whole number, but here, though it is not a whole number or not a part, but it is made up of what? Whole number, and it is written as a by b form, right? And this fraction, okay, this a is called as your numerator and the lower part is called your denominator, right? Further, this fraction is classified as different types. It is classified into different types based on the numerator and the denominator. All right, so let us see what are the types of fractions. So first one is your decimal fraction. In decimal fraction, what happened? The denominators are either 10, 100, 1000, etc. So this type of fraction is called your decimal fraction. Say for an example, 2 by 10, 50 by 1000. These are your decimal fraction. All right, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, the next one is your proper fraction. So let us see what is proper fraction. Proper fraction. In proper fraction, suppose a by b is the proper fraction, right? So here b, which is a denominator, it should be greater than a. All right, so when b is greater than a, it is said as proper fraction. Say for an example, 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 is a proper fraction. Then the next one is improper fraction. So in proper fraction, improper, okay, improper fraction, the third one. In improper fraction, the denominator, that is b, is either smaller than a or it is equivalent to a. This is called your improper fraction. Suppose 8 by 6, okay, or 8 by 9. All right, so this is called as your improper fraction. Or 11 by 11, right? So here both a and b, right, numerator and denominator are equal, okay, they are same, and on the other hand, the denominator is greater than the numerator, right? Now the fourth one, then comes your mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction is written as ab by this form, ab by c. All right, so 2, 3 by 4. So this is what? This is called as mixed fraction. All right, I hope this is clear to you. Then the next one is your vulgar fraction. VULGAR. So it's a vulgar fraction. So you can follow your book page number 51. Okay, so in vulgar fraction, suppose a by b. Okay, so here what happened? A by b is any whole number. Okay, is any whole number, and b should not be equal to 10, 100 or 1000. Otherwise it will become what? Decimal fraction. All right, so here it should be written as a by b form, but b should not be equal to 10, 100 or 1000. So this is called your vulgar fraction. Then comes your simple fraction. So in simple fraction, so a by b both are natural number. Simple fraction. So a by b, so both are natural number. It should be natural number. Then it is said to be your simple fraction. Say for an example, 4 by 5, 8 by 6. Okay, so this is an example of simple fraction. I hope you can follow this. Okay, the next type is your complex fraction. So next type of fraction is your complex fraction. So it is type 7, okay? The seventh type of fraction, that is complex fraction, where a by b are not whole number. Say for an example, 4 by 2 by 3, or 4 by 3 by 5 by 6, okay? 1 by 2 by 2, 3 by 2. So this type of fraction is called as complex fraction. Fine. Now next type of fraction is equivalent fraction. So in equivalent fraction, what happens when you multiply equivalent? Suppose a by b. So when you multiply both by same number or divide by same number, the result, okay, the fraction that we get will be equal to this, okay? Suppose 4 by 5 and we have multiplied it by 2. So 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. So 4 by 5, this is equal to 8 by 10. So if you simplify it, 2 4s are 2 5s are. See, when we simplify it, we get the same fraction, right? Therefore, it is called as equivalent fraction, all right? Now, the next type is your like fraction and unlike fraction. Okay, these two are vice versa of each other. Like fraction and unlike fraction. So let me give an example. Like fraction is 2 by 13 and unlike fraction will be your okay, 2 by 13, 4 by 13, okay, and unlike fraction is 2 by 13, 4 by 15. So here you can see that the denominators are same. When in a given fraction the denominators are same, then it is said to be your like fraction. And on the other hand, when in a given fraction the denominators are not same, when they are not alike, okay, therefore it is called as unlike fraction. All right, I hope this is clear to you. Then next is your reducible fraction and irreducible fraction. They are again reverse of each other. In reducible fraction, say for an example, let me just give an example. 2 by 8, then 7 by 16, okay, 4 by 32, and the another one, say 2 by 3, 4 by 13, 8 by 19. So what we can see here, just look at this denominator, okay. So this denominator will have more than one common factor, okay. So this type of fraction is called a reducible fraction, where you can reduce it, where you have more than one fraction, okay, common factors, you can say more than one common factor. On the other hand, in irreducible fraction, the denominator, just look at the denominators, the only factor they have, okay, the only common factor they have will be 1. They will not have any other common factor among these three denominators. Therefore, it is called as irreducible fraction. And where there is more than one, okay, when the factors is more than one, then it is said to be as reducible fraction. I hope the concept is clear about the like fraction, unlike fraction, reducible fraction and irreducible fraction. All right. So these are the types of fraction that we have to learn in this chapter, okay, and this is going to be helpful for us to solve the exercise. So my dear children, so do learn this different types of fraction, okay, and then in my next class I shall be teaching you it's comparison, okay, how they are compared, how fractions are compared, some properties of fraction, so which is again going to help you to learn and to solve the exercise question. So this is all for today, so I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing maths.